How do you make money on YouTube without creating a video? It may sound like a stupid question, but let me tell you something. Yes, it is possible to make money on YouTube without making a single video yourself, right? So, couple of things. How do people make money on YouTube? First is by getting millions of view counts and getting YouTube itself to pay you from the revenue they generate from their advertisements. And second is that you create videos and you sell something or you promote something with the hope of getting people to watch your video and taking action, and then you make money. So these are the two ways, as far as I know, how you make money on YouTube. But guess what? YouTube is a video platform. So you may think, how do you make money without actually creating videos? I know that so many people are shy to make video. They are afraid of standing in front of the camera. I have no idea why. If I can do it, I'm sure everyone can do it. So some people a few weeks ago, or a few years ago, they had a method of going and searching for videos that are categorized as Creative Commons, which means anybody can use it, anybody can download it and re-upload it into their channel. But guess what? As time went by, those Creative Commons videos, the quality is pretty poor and what have you. So there is one way that you can still make money on YouTube without making a video, is by looking for videos that are still getting high view count and seeing if those videos have a URL or a link down below, and you can actually go and look if the URL or the website is inactive. And what you can do is you can actually go and buy that website, buy that URL and create a website or put an offer, affiliate offer or your product offer on it, and you will get traffic flowing. But this relies on that video being of a good quality, and the video spokesperson, the video basically calls people to look below my video. There is a link, click it. Otherwise, people are going to basically skip through that. Okay, there is one way, and in fact, there is a recent software that's been launched called Equinox, and that does the searching and finding videos with high count with an expired link under the video automatically for you. I will leave the link down below this video if you want to go and buy it. Yes, I will get a small commission because I'm an affiliate of that software, but guess what? You don't necessarily have to buy it, because that's not the real long-term consistent way of making money. Because if thousands of people are using the software, I think the software has already been sold 2,000 units. So if 2,000 people are going after the same video, guess what? Soon those links will have all been taken up, right? But there is a real consistent way you can make money on YouTube without making any videos. First of all, you want to have something to sell or promote to make money, and then what you can do is you can go to Fiverr.com. That's Fiverr spelled with 2 R's at the end, .com, and search for video spokesperson, and then you will find a ton of people who are offering to make videos in front of a camera just like I'm doing now and sell you for it. Sell you for $20, $15, $50. You can go and search for people who can speak British accent, American accent, Canadian, Australian, whatever accent. You can go and filter those people and you can send them the script and they'll charge you by minute. You can take that video, put it on YouTube, and you may think, actually, is one video on my YouTube channel going to make me any money? Well, you can run ads to it, right? If you go and sign up with Google Ads and you put $25 deposit, Google will invest in you $75. So you have $100 that you can play with, and then you can start driving traffic using the keywords that you are targeting to that video. You don't need a big channel, a big following, and test it yourself, right? Ultimately, you've got nothing to lose. The only way you will find out if it works or not is if you go and try it, right? So that's the consistent way that I would approach, that I will take to make money on YouTube if I'm camera shy, or whatever the reason that you may have of not wanting to make a video. But I tell you what, the real way to go about is to start making videos. You don't need fancy equipment. I'm doing this on my mobile phone, right? Yes, I've got a a normal mobile phone, Huawei, whatever, P20, and I'm standing right in front of a clean wall with no pictures in my home. I don't even have fancy lighting. As you can see, the light probably fluctuates on this video, and I'm just talking, on the spot. And if you are afraid of doing that, there is an app on most of the mobile phones on Android and on iOS that you can download and install. It's called Teleprompter. Just go and search for Teleprompter. You can basically write the script and you can put on it, and then you can play it and you can vary the speed, and basically that's exactly what the newsreaders do on the television channels, right? And it will scroll and you can read it, look into the camera and read it, and there you go. And once you start making few videos and put it out there, and you will get used to it. I am used to my ugly face on the camera. I can see my face as I'm talking. So that's the real way. Once you get over that shyness, once you get over that hurdle or hesitation, it will all become normal, right? But at least to get started, to see if this works, you can go to Fiverr.com or buy the software below and search for existing videos that are already getting high views. And with an expired URL, go and buy that domain for cheap, and set something up on it, put a affiliate offer or your own product page on it with a WordPress, and see it for yourself. Okay, I hope this helped. If you like the video, you can hit the like button and you can subscribe to my channel. Even if you don't subscribe to my channel, it's totally fine. I hope I gave you some good value. Have a good day.